Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RR7635WO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your vacuum cleaner is struggling to hold a charge, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can happen due to natural wear and tear over time or if the battery has not been maintained properly. If left unaddressed, your vacuum may become completely unusable, making it essential to tackle this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a set of small screwdrivers, a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta RR7635WO, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring that your vacuum is switched off and unplugged. To access the battery, carefully remove the screws on the back panel of the vacuum cleaner. Use a screwdriver that fits well to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any clips or the casing itself. Locate the battery. It is usually secured in place with additional screws or clips. If you see any wires connected to the battery, take note of where they are attached. Carefully disconnect these wires, making sure to remember their positions for reconnect later. Now, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your replacement battery and insert it into the same compartment, ensuring that it is seated correctly. Reconnect the wires to the corresponding terminals, making sure they are secure but not overly tight. At this point, double-check that there are no stray wires or components obstructing the battery compartment. Once everything looks good, replace the back cover of the vacuum and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember not to over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the casing. After reassembling, plug the vacuum back in and allow it to charge fully before testing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again in the future, ensure you charge your vacuum regularly and avoid letting the battery fully deplete before recharging. Additionally, periodic maintenance can help extend the lifespan of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.